I'm Anthony Howard. And I ride for Hunt BMX. This is my bike check. I've got a Fit Aiken 1 frame. It's good, it's really light, it only weighs like 2 pounds. I've got DK Flux grips. They're worn down. Animal metal bar ends. Premium whiskey bars. I think they're 8 flat, I think. Got a DK Alpha stem. Eclaw headset. Fit blade forks with a premium refuse resist folding tire. It's light, I really like it, and it's really fat. Shadow spokes, shadow nipples, Y303 wheel, Odyssey Vandero 2 hub with a shadow hub guard, a Colony peg. I've got Odyssey $1 Million sprocket, premium 1948 cranks, the 48 spline, Duo Resolite pedals, just a stock seat clamp, Animal stitch seat. Haha, this is for you, Dylan. Premium stump, KMC chain, Alienation plain black wheel laced to an Odyssey hazard light hub. It's really loud. People seem to like that noise. And that's my bike check. Thanks for watching.